Politics to matters development in health. Patients suffering from cancer in Marsabit County now have a relief after a cancer clinic was opened in Marsabit town. The clinic is a joint initiative between county's First Ladies organization and partnerships with several other organizations, including Roche organization. The clinic was launched by Marsabit Governor Mohammed Ali. Stakeholders, including cancer patients, welcomed the initiative, saying it will bring relief for patients who used to travel for long distances for treatment. The clinic will carry out screening for both cervical and breast cancer.
And that when the service is now brought here, at least even if it's an income to the hospital, it's at least the part of lodging, transport will have been lessened, and the cost of the drugs are also done.
Since the launch of the clinic, we've been able to screen 50 individuals for both cervical cancer and breast cancer. After the launch of this clinic, we now expect to be able to diagnose many cases of cancer at an early stage, and that is our main vision, to make early diagnosis and to treat patients early enough before it is too late.
WHO envisions the elimination of cervical cancer by year 2030. So why are we left behind?
It is with profound joy that I join you for the official opening of the Marsabit Empower Clinic that was set up with the objective of supporting us in the management of cancer. I will declare this wonderful Marsabit Cancer Clinic and the Empower Project to be officially opened.
Now on to some disturbing news.